Talking a lot about dialogue, and there are some things we know about dialogue. Dialogue shows a conversation, usually between two people, but it can be between more than two people. Dialogue uses taglines to show us who is speaking. Dialogue also uses quotation marks to tell us exactly what was said. Dialogue also uses commas to separate what was said from who said it. And those are all the things we've practiced. But today, we're going to add dialogue can show the mood or something about the character. That will be our focus for today.